Hello everyone, this is one of the volume and surface area question from the board paper. A bat manufacturing company made a huge bat for charity. The dimension of bat, which is in the form of cuboid. So as you can see the cuboid, I have drawn it. The length is given 2 meter. So length is 2 meter. Width is given 0.5 meter. And the height is given, thickness is given 0.1 meter. And the diameter of the cylindrical part, that means R is 0.1 by 2 and the height is given 0.7 meters. You have to find the volume of the wood used. So volume of wood will be volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h for the cylinder plus cuboid, that means length into breadth into height of the cuboid or thickness. So here you will get 22 by 7. Radius is given 0.1 by 2 whole square into the height, which is 0.7 plus 2 into 0.5 into 0.1, as all the units are in meters. So simplifying this, so from here 7 will give you 0.1, so 22 into 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2 into 0.5 is 1, so 0.1. So here you will get 11, so 2 0.05, which gives you 11 into 0.0005 plus 0.1. This comes out to be 0.05055 plus 0.1, which is 0.1055 meters. So the volume is 0.1055 meter cube. Next we have to find the surface area. So to find the surface area, it is the bat, so 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL plus surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH plus the top of the cylinder, as you can see from here, the top part pi r square. Now when you see the top of the bat, then this pi r square will be removed, so minus pi r square. So putting the values, so 2 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.1, 0.1 into 2 plus 2 into pi is 22 by 7, r is given 0.1 by 2, h is 0.7. So 7, 0.1, 2 and 2 cancel out. Simplifying this, so 1 plus 0.05 plus 0.02 plus 22 into 0.01. Sorry, here it is 0.2, not 0.02. So this will give you 2 times of 1.25 plus 0.22, which is 2.5 plus 0.22, which comes out to be 2.72 meter square.